To generate $1,000 per month in dividend income at a 4% yield, you need a portfolio of $300,000. That sounds like a lot, but with consistent investing and dividend reinvestment, the timeline is shorter than you think. When you own dividend-paying stocks, or ETFs, companies pay you a portion of their profits quarterly. Reinvesting those dividends buys more shares which produce more dividends, creating a compounding snowball effect. SCHD offers a 3.5% yield with excellent dividend growth history. VYM provides broader exposure at a similar yield. For monthly income, JEPI offers a higher yield around 7%, but with different risk characteristics. Investing $1,000 per month into dividend ETFs yielding 3.5% with 7% annual growth and full reinvestment. You can reach $300,000 in about 15 years. That is when dividends start covering a significant portion of your expenses. In the accumulation phase, always reinvest dividends through a DRIP program. Only switch to cash dividends when you need the income. Reinvesting is what turns a small portfolio into a wealth-generating machine. What is your dividend income goal? Share your target in the comments. Subscribe for monthly dividend portfolio updates.